Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with some any day couponing deals for Dollar General. Up first, we have this Fructis deal. Now, not all accounts got this store coupon. I know I did not on my account. But if you're lucky enough to have this coupon, the store coupon, the 3 off 2, and the 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon, you can stack them together and get 2 of the Fructis for just $2. Now, I know we shared that the other day. I just wanted to reshare it. This one here ends tomorrow, which is the 16th. You can get 3 of the Mountain Dew 12 packs, and those are on sale, 3 for $14. You have the 3 off when you buy 3, which is a manufacturer coupon, but we also have a $4 digital store coupon, and that would make 3 12 packs just $7. And we did share that one on Sunday as well, but I wanted to remind you it ends tomorrow. Up next, we have $10.50. You can get your Elvive shampoo and conditioner, the Schick Extreme razor, and the Skintimate violet razor. There is another $6 Skintimate razor you could substitute that out with, and you would pay $10.50. For $7.70, you can get the Degree women's and men's deodorant spray, and that would be $7.70 after your coupons. Now, these deals, we put them out because sometimes you just can't wait until Saturday to shop, but you can also turn these into 5 off 25 deals if you don't plan on using them during the week. So our next deal here is $17, and you can get 2 of the Shea Moisture. This is the curl shampoo and conditioner, and it would be $17. Make sure you scan any of the items in store to make sure they are attaching to the coupons. We're going to move into some laundry now. You can grab the All detergent and some Snuggle fabric softener for $13.50, but there are cashback offers, so you need to make sure you have those clipped and you will earn back $4. So it would be like paying $9.50 after you earn that cash back. This is a paper deal for $17.70. You're going to get your Scott Comfort Plus, your Scott paper towels, your True Living Ultra paper towels, Sparkle paper towels, and some Cottonelle toilet paper. That was a tongue twister. And that would be $17.70. It's $22.20 is your subtotal, and then you have your coupons. Now, if you need these later on, you could do a 5 off 25 with them. Or if you just want 1 toilet paper and 1 paper towel, you can get the Scott that you see here, and it would be $6 for just the 2 of them. Our next deal here is for Finish dishwasher tabs and Finish Jet Dry, and that would be $8.95. Again, we put these out because sometimes you just can't wait until Saturday to go and get something, and you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to get things that you need. On this deal, you're going to get your Tide Hygienic Pods and your Downy Rinse for $23.80. These are the $19.95 pods and the $12.95 Downy. There are other ones that do attach. For $14.40, you can get your Gain Liquid. That's the 750 size. Your Gain Flings, the Gain Beads. Now, those beads are a specific scent, so make sure you check that. It's a new strawberry scent. And you're going to get your flings, and that would be $14.40. For $11, getting back $1.50, you can get your Purex liquid, the packs, and the Snuggle sheets. That's the $10 liquid, the $4 packs, and the $2 Snuggle sheets. We do have cash back on this as well. I hope you enjoyed these deals. Be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know if you like the Any Day deals. I know we haven't done them in a while. I'm trying to maneuver doing things a little bit differently here. And that and life gets in the way. So please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you get notified when we put out new content. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. Thank you so much for watching and being here with us. We appreciate each and every one of you. Be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.